Humans are very simple creatures. We like to celebrate the fact that the planet went around the sun one time.
From New Year's Eve fireworks to an unassuming brick building at the Denver Federal Center in Lakewood.
We're looking at the history of how things have changed with tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of those revolutions.
This is the National Science Foundation Ice Core facility.
This is the only facility like this in the United States. It basically acts as the central repository for all of the ice cores that have been drilled by the U.S. Polar Program.
Filled with these.
We have currently about 22,000 meters worth of ice stored in our lab.
Science's giant freezer, emphasis on freezing.
Main storage, where the core is kept long term, is kept at about minus 38 degrees Celsius, which is roughly minus 36 Fahrenheit.
They come from drilling deep into glaciers in Antarctica and Greenland. The oldest ice here is 420,000 years old.
Simply put, ice cores are the best source that we can go to understand how our past climate has changed over the last few 100,000 years.
Richard Nunn is the self-proclaimed ice librarian here. He cuts and sends out samples to researchers around the country.
And by analyzing the air bubbles that are trapped in that, the dust within the ice, and the isotopes that make up the water within the ice as well, we can recreate how carbon dioxide and methane have changed over time.
That data shows how the amount of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere is higher than it's ever been, and just how fast it's gotten there.
Unprecedented. We have never seen a change this quickly in the entire ice core record. That is the best proof that we have of what I would call rapid climate change, human-induced climate change.
The biggest story of the year, the decade, our lifetime. The proof? Sitting in our own backyard. Our 36 degree below zero backyard. I'm Jason Grenauer, Denver 7.